Hello? Hello?
Hello, 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 hello. How are you?
I'm
I don't
happy.
know. Nan 100, Nan 700, Nan Tiger Bear 2.0.
No, I'm 995.
Nan 5. Good. How are you, Nan? Good to see you.
I'm happy.
Good. And how was your day? I can't see you. Where's your camera?
And
There is. Ooh. Are you wearing bangs today or not wearing bangs today?
what? Yeah.
Yeah, you're wearing bangs. So, Nana, let's begin. Yeah.
I also have bangs.
So what's your name? I forgot your name. Sorry. Oh, Nanan 5. Okay, so Miss Nanan 5. Let's begin.
Call me Nana.
Yeah, that's better. I like that better. Yes. Ah. Good. So let's continue. When did the hunters start killing the wolves? When? So creepy. Do you know what creepy means?
I know.
Okay, so look. What was I going to ask you? What did I ask you? I asked you something about when the hunters started killing the wolves. Do you know? When did they start killing the wolves? Nan.
One. No. 900.
Huh?
924 and to 923.
900? And this one? You're not reading the one? 900? Or 1920?
1900.
Good job. 1900. Right? But no. We say 19. Maybe this is not what you wanted to say. But 1900 is only for this. When we have these dates, we say 1924. 19, we divide it in two parts, yes? We say 19, and then we say 24, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or you can say in the year 1900. It's too long. I'm getting tired. 1924. It's too long, Nan, right?
1924.
I fell asleep. It's too long.
It's not long.
But this is shorter. What do you think? 1924. What do you think? Shorter?
Yeah.
It's shorter,
it
right? Are you okay, Nan? You're becoming a terrible monster. Hey, so Nan, Nan, what date is this? What year is this? Go ahead.
One.
Remember.
72.
Yeah, but no, it's too long. I'm falling asleep, Nan. Stop. I'm going to sleep. It's too long. Say it this way, Nan. It's
1972.
No, it's too long. Say it like this. Nan, say in 1872.
1872.
In 1872.
1872.
Good job, good job. So now tell me this year. What year is this?
1923.
Next one.
1924.
Oh,
1933.
good job. And look at this one. What year is this?
No, 26.
26? Oh, it's the year 26. It's the year 26.
Wait.
Hello, Nanan, I can't hear you. I lost you.
Hello.
Hello. Good Wi-Fi.
Hello.
Watch. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Are you back? Okay, you're back. You're back. You're back. You're back. You're back. You're back. You're back.
I look you like this.
Yeah, you had bad Wi-Fi. Say, teacher, you were frozen.
Teacher, you have bad Wi-Fi. My
No,
Wi-Fi
you
is
have.
good.
No, my Wi-Fi is so powerful. Hey, but
My
Nanan.
Wi-Fi is magical.
Hey, but Nanan, it's the year 26. Oh, wow. It's the year 26. We don't.
2006. 2006.
Good job. But maybe not 2006. Say 2006. 2006. Good job. And what year is this then? What year is this?
1903.
Yeah. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Now look, what year is this?
Nine 190. Oh.
Or maybe
1900.
yeah, it's the year 1900. But no, English is weird. So maybe say this. It's the year 19 what? 100. It's the year
1900. Oh.
Good job. So now that we know this,
Ow.
what year is it now? It's the year
1800.
very good, very good. And what year is it now?
Now 2000.
Yeah, you're so smart. You're so smart. None. Last one. So look, we have the early 90s. Tell me if this makes sense to you. The mid 90s.
What?
And the late. Huh? What? Teacher, what are you talking about? Teacher, what are you talking about? So look, we have the early 90s, the mid 90s, and the late 90s. Tell me what this year belongs to. Does it belong to the early 90s, the mid 90s, or the late 90s? Uh-oh. Look at this number. Tell me what it belongs to. 1991. Is it the early 90s, the mid 90s, or the late 90s?
Late 90s?
Good. So how do we know? How do we know? Now let me help you. Early 90s is from the year 90 to the year 93, right? And look, Nanan, The mid 90s is from the year 94 to the year 96. And the late 90s is from the year 97 to the year 99. You see how that works, Nan?
Yes.
Good. So 1991, do you think it's the early 90s, the mid 90s, or the late 90s?
The late 90s.
Look, 91.
Oh no. Early 90s.
Good job. It's in the early 90s. Next one. Nan. Watch this. Is this the early, mid, or late 90s? 1990. 1995. Early, mid, or late 90s?
Middle 90s.
Don't say middle 90s. Say mid 90s.
Mid 90s.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. What? When did this happen? In the late 50s? In the early 50s? Or in the mid 50s?
In the early no. Late 50s.
Yeah, you're so smart. You're so smart. Good. Now the next one. Nan. Sorry. And with this one we'll finish, okay? 1936. When did this happen? Early, mid, or late 30s?
Mid.
Yeah. So it happened in the mid 30s. Right? Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Great. So, no. Let's continue, okay?